Very good morning, children. This is your biology teacher. After your cycle test, we are going to resume our YouTube classes. Children, today we are going to start form ponds. We are going to look after form ponds. Have you seen ponds? Definitely, you might have seen ponds in temples or nearby your house. Ponds are small size water reservoirs which stores water during the raining or rainy season. The run of water from different places are channeled into the ponds. The pond water will be rises up. But farm ponds are totally different. Farm ponds, they are used as one of the strategies to support water conservation. Farm ponds are used as one of the strategies to support the conservation of water. We know that water is very precious. Whenever the rainfall takes place, the water reaches the ground during the precipitation. So each and every drop of water to be conserved, so that only ponds, pools and lakes are constructed. Much of rainfall, when it takes place, the run of water will reach the farm ponds. So much of the rainfall which runs off the ground. The runoff not only causes loss of water, children, but also it washes away the precious topsoil. So farm ponds help us to conserve the water for the cultivation of plants in the field, in agriculture. The role of farm ponds are very important. Farm ponds helps the farmer to store water, and it is used for irrigation. Farm ponds helps the farmers to store water, and it is useful for irrigation. Sometimes scanty rainfall maybe takes place, or sometimes there is no rainfall. Such cases, the run of water on the ground will be stored in farm ponds. The farm ponds mainly useful for irrigating the plant. Let us see the layout of farm pond. Let us see. Let us see layout of a farm pond. We know that farm pond is store water in huge amount for irrigation. So the pond must be, that is the farm pond must be in proper structure and size. Farm pond is a dugout structure. Dugout structure in the sense it is digged with the help of manpower or with machines. Farm pond is a dugout structure with a definite shape and size. This is the structure. You can see in this structure there is a pipe for inlet or inlet of water, and there is a outlet of water. So farm ponds, they have a proper inlet as well as outlet. These structures for collecting the surface runoff and flowing from the farm area. So farm ponds, they have proper inlet and outlet structures for collecting the surface runoff flowing from farm area. This structure which help us to store water. The stored water during the scanty rainfall is useful for irrigation. So the water which is being stored in the farm pond is used for irrigation. Children, Imagine there is no water, there is no irrigation for crop fields. Plants need water to grow, either huge amount or very small amount water to be irrigated. So during the scanty rainfall, structures like a farm pond, which is very much useful to the farmers. Let us see few advantages of farm ponds. So what are the advantages? Farm ponds, which is very much useful for irrigation, right? So advantages in which the first one, they provide water to the growing crops without waiting for the rainfall. So they provide water to the growing crops without waiting the rainfall. So you can cultivate plants during the non-rainy seasons. You can start to cultivate plants during the non-rainy seasons because we already stored huge amount of water in the name of farm ponds. Farm ponds, they provide water for irrigation whenever there is no rain. Sometimes the monsoon does not bring enough rainfall. Scanty rainfall is received in few places in Tamil Nadu like state. So farmers can construct farm ponds in their field. They can collect the runoff water during the rainfall, and it can be used during the agriculture, during practicing agriculture where there is no rainfall. Farm ponds, they reduce soil erosion. They also helps to recharge groundwater level. So due to increasing the groundwater level, the groundwater table in which huge amount of water can be stored, so through which the boreholes we can use the water for various needs. As well as the advantage of the farm pond is to be improving the drainaging system. If water is flooded in large amount in certain low landing or certain lowland areas, which cause damages to the crops, especially heavy rainfall while taking place. So such cases, farmers when they construct the farm ponds, the excess water which run off from the field is stored in farm ponds. So it helps for the drainage of water. And excavated soil, you see this is the running of water during the monsoon time. The excavated soil can be used to enrich in field and also leveling the lands. So very low land can be leveled by excavating the soil because the soil which is excavated for farmlands are rich in nutrients. We can use farm ponds for the integrated agriculture farming along with the fishes. So they promote rearing of fishes. See you see in these pictures, with the help of heavy machines we are digging the farm ponds. Once the farm ponds are made, the water from the runoff will be stored. Here you can see farm pond how it is useful apart from irrigation. Farm ponds, they promote rearing of fishes. It is also one of the economy for the rural peoples. They provide water for domestic purpose, and also they provide water for livestock. So animals whenever they come and drink water, and domestic purpose in the name of we channelize water for rearing fishes, crabs and other animals. So this helps integrated agriculture to the farmer, providing economy especially in the rural side. Thank you children. On another day we will see in the biology class. Thank you.